In order to use Flipgrid on an iPad as a student, I've installed the Flipgrid app from the App Store, and I tap on that app and simply tap at the top, enter flip code. I'm going to type in that flip code that my teacher gave me for our class grid. Now I'm going to click or tap Login with Google. Remember, I can log in with Google or Microsoft and tap Continue. I'm going to sign in as a student, so I'm going to tap Use Another Account. And I will type in my student school email address, which is my 7-digit ID number at school.ecsd.net. I'll click Next, and now I can type in my password. And again, tap Next. Here I am inside the daily check-in topic inside my class grid. I can navigate or switch topics by clicking the picker bar and selecting a topic from the drop-down list. I can play that video recording that my teacher has left me as part of the prompt. Hi everyone, welcome to our daily check-in. How are you feeling today? How's your day going? And what's one new thing that you've tried today? Please share all of these things and more in your video response. I can click that little blue icon in order to open the topic prompt in Immersive Reader, where I can have the topic prompt read aloud to me.
How are you feeling today? How is your day going? What is one new thing that you have tried?
Back in the topic, I can start my video response by tapping the green plus button to open the Flipgrid recorder. Here I can turn on filters, including the pixel filter. I can tap the A icon in order to add text overlay in different colors and type my message. I can move this text around my screen. I can tap the emoji in order to open the menu of emojis and stickers and add an emoji to my recording. I can also tap the whiteboard icon in order to flip into the whiteboard mode, where I can use digital inking in order to solve math equations, science equations, sketch out and label diagrams, or even sketchnote. I can also tap the image icon and select an image from my camera roll to add as a sticker. I simply tap the red recording button to record my screen, in this case, my whiteboard and my voice. I tap the next button in the bottom right corner. For a preview, I can also tap the recording button that will appear in the left corner in order to add more to my recording. And then tap that next button in order to preview my 2 recorded clips. When I'm ready to submit my video, I tap the green arrow in the bottom right corner. I take my selfie where I can use my filters, my text overlay, stickers, or even flip into whiteboard mode. I tap the green arrow and I can add a title to my video. And tap the Submit Video button at the bottom of the screen. Tap Return to Grid, where I'll be able to see my video live on the topic for my classmates to see inside our class grid.